So it's a Thursday night and Mr. Grumpy Bum over here. Have you got grumpy pants on? Oh my god, seriously. He's a little bit angry that we're here. A few minutes past 12. Out of Kmart. I mean, I didn't tell him to come. I told him to stay, but the good husband he is, he just came to protect me.
Yeah.
As grumpy as he is, I bet you any money he's gonna walk straight over to that men's section and look for something for himself. Watch it. You watch it. Because I know he wanted to come. He just needed someone to drag him out. I told you so. Look at him. Told you. It's like 12:30 and we're trying on glasses. I don't know, do you think these suit me? I don't think so. As much as I want them to. Baby, do you like these ones? Are you sure? My husband likes them. Where's the mirror? Do you think I should get him? The girl ones are so much better than the guys. Oh, that's nice, honey. Go. I like it.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Oh my god, I feel like these are perfect. I don't know, what do you think? The other one or this one? It's probably pointless asking you because I'm obviously going to make a choice tonight. I want both of them, babe. Huh? You look like a fly. I feel like this is the pick. I like that. Take it. It's perfect. Perfect frame size as well. Yeah. So we just finished shopping from Kmart. We're gonna go home. It's Friday early morning. We usually only vlog on Saturdays and Sundays, but because our weekend has started, because we're going up to Sydney tomorrow for my auntie's funeral, you get to see us earlier. We thought maybe this car had hit us because it's so close.
Hi everyone. I'm tired.
Morning, guys. It's about 5:30 at the moment and we're getting ready to go to Sydney. I'm so tired. So obviously from our Kmart run last night, we got home pretty late and stuffed around a bit, and obviously we're paying for it now. Jesse's going to come with my brother at a later time, but we're going quite soon, and my cousins are coming to meet us. I wanted to review my glasses as well. How cool do they look? Funky fresh. It's almost 6 o'clock and we're still at home. Bloody fobs. It said, whoa. My cousins are here. And in the midst as well, big change of plans. We're going with my lovely husband, which I'm quite excited about. I really wanted him to come, but you know what? To leave this. Why are you trying to separate us? Show me. Yeah, that's fine.
Ew.
Where's Sia?
Oh, she's in the car with my dad.
Hey, mamita. Hey, Asa. We're meant to go in this car, our old buggy, but it's done its good deeds during the time, and I think it's expired, so Molly's coming to drop her car off. And I'm going in my baby.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna go to Sydney. Now we're just waiting for Molly to come and we both go. Thanks everyone.
I'm quite tired, guys, to be honest. I know that I'm gonna have to drive all the way there and all the way back because I'm taking my own car. And I think my mum's coming with me and Siosi. That's my sister's car that they're also taking. How kind of her to donate it to us for the day. But all my cousins are here and we're all going up together. I think this is their first time going up there and meeting my uncle. Oh, and can't remember who suggested it. I think it was Bree. I don't know. Bree commented that we should, Siosi and I should do a Q&A. We definitely want to do a Q&A, so thank you for that idea. I just want to put it out there. If you have any questions or yeah, anything you'd like to know about us, sensible, within reason, comment them below and we'll do a Q&A in the next coming weeks. And it's going to be awesome. You guys are going to get to know more about us, and hopefully we'll get to know more about you guys just from you commenting and stuff like that. And yeah, it'll just be a jolly time. What's going on over there? We're on our way to Sydney now.
Don't you give up, nah, nah, nah. I won't give up, nah, nah, nah. Let me love you, let me love you.
We here in the bamboo. We almost there in Sydney. Just buying some food. Bà có mua cái hoa cô phụ á.
You want bacon and egg?
Boom.
Bacon and egg? That's me, but I know you. So we're getting a food for Whakaeleni and their children. Well, they'll have to share. And for mum, me, us.
Điều của cho nó mới đâu vậy em có cháo mì xin mà lô lo vậy chơi ơi phơi mà lô lo vậy chơi tôi tập quạt chơi luas minuto nó cho nó lo vale de meu lo fai ele eu tira.
We're finally here in Campbelltown, Claymore. It's still the ghetto, nothing new about it. There's my daddy. Hey guys, so we just finished the funeral. I didn't take any footage out of respect for my auntie and her family and her kids. And we're here with my cousins. They're from the Hit the High Note Challenge. Say hi guys. Hello. That's Va'ainga and that's Kua. And we're just waiting to go back to Canberra. We're going to go back today, this afternoon. But I don't know what they're doing inside. They're just talking. So we decided to come here in the car because we're quite bored and it's really hot here in Sydney. It's not like Canberra. Canberra's nice and cool and clean.
Yes, I agree with that.
And oh no. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers or our new subscribers to our channel. Welcome. And I hope you enjoy the rest of our videos. So we just want to sing a song for you guys. Siosi's over at inside. He did most of the chores. He helped my dad cook, and my dad, the chef, cooked most of the food for everybody.
These are pretty hard.
So delicious.
Why this make you feel like you? Why this make you feel like you? Why this make you feel like you? Why don't we get drunk? Why don't we smoke weed?
Oi, surely.
Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause it's in more than just your body. One in a million, like controller.
So we just got home from Sydney. Well, I just got home from Sydney, and I'm exhausted. I'm absolutely
I just
wrecked.
finished eating a
We're
burger.
all exhausted.
I'm so tired. We stopped off at McDonald's and bought the clan some
Daddy.
burgers. And we didn't finish it, but Sia's gonna smash it all when she gets home.
And now we need these babies to finish it off.
Finish off a
Top
big
it
day in Sydney. But we're so tired. Honestly, I almost fell asleep on the road, and I just said, Holy Spirit, give me strength. And he gave me strength. Yeah, pretty tired, but it was a good day for Auntie Kumima. And I think a lot of people are more at ease with it because she was a woman of faith and was a devout Christian. And so we believe that she is in heaven. And what more could you want than to be in heaven with Jesus? Partying it up with the angels. So we're gonna end it here, guys. Me and my cousins hit the high note challenge, peeps.
No, that never happened.
Peace. Bye, duties. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.